In this video, I want to show you how to do addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. So I took this session from grade 9 mathematics. So the first one is 1 over 3 plus 5 over 3. So basically what we need to do, we have 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 5 over 3. So we will have 2 plus 6 over 3. And 6 over 3 is 2. So we have 2 plus 2 will be equal to 4. 1b says 5 minus 2 over 3. So we need to use the common denominator. So right now the denominator for 5 is 1. You know the denominator, we don't write it, is 1. So 5 over 1. So if I want to have common denominator, I need to multiply this by 3. So I will have 15 over 3 minus 2 over 3. So then I will have 13 over 3. Or I can write 4 1/3. Exactly. So next question, 2a. It says 3 5 over 6 plus 7 1 over 2. So what we can do, we can have 3 plus 7, and in here we have 5 over 6 plus 1 over 2. So in this case, we need to just hit the camera. So we need to have the common denominator. So instead of 1 over 2, I need to write something with 6 as a denominator. So if I multiply 2 by 3, I get 6. So I need to multiply 1 by 3. So it will be 3 over 6. So I will have 3 plus 7 plus 5 over 6 plus 3 over 6. So we'll have 10 plus 8 over 6. And 8 over 6 by itself is 1, 2 over 6. So it will be 11, 2 over 6. And then we can reduce 2 over 6. We can divide both of them by 2. So it will be 11 1/3. So that will be the answer. Next one, we have 2b, 9 1 over 8 minus 6 3 over 4. So again we have 9 minus 6 plus 1 over 8 minus 3 over 4. 9 minus 6 is 3, and here we have 1 over 8. If I have common denominator, I need to multiply by 2. So I will have 3 plus negative 5 over 8. Okay, so since it's negative, I need to subtract it from this one. So, or I can have common denominator. So instead of 3, I can write 24 over 8. If I multiply this by 8, minus 5 over 8, it will be 19 over 8. Or it will be 3 over 8. That will be the answer. Next one is question number 3. Use number lines to evaluate the following expression. So I can use regular one. So I can have 7 3 over 8 plus 4 1 over 8. It will be 7 plus 4 plus 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8. So I will have 11 plus 4 over 8. So it will be 11 4 over 8. And if I reduce this one, it's going to be 11 1 over 2. 3b. It is 7 3 8 minus 4 1 8. So we have 7 minus 4 plus 3 8 minus 1 8. So we have 3 plus 2 over 8. Or we have 3 2 over 8. We can reduce it. So 2 over 8 is going to be 1 over 4. C is 6 2/3 plus 5 2/3. So what we can do, I can have 6 plus 5, and then I have 2/3 plus 2/3 will be 11 plus 4 over 3, or we can say 4 over 3 is 1 plus 1/3, so it will be 12 1/3. Next one is 3 2 over 5 minus 1 4 over 5. So as you see here, 2 is less than 4 with the same denominator. 2 is less than 4. So instead of 3 2 over 5, I can write 2 7 divided by 5. So because here 3 is 2 plus 1, 2 over 5. So it will be 2, 1 will be 5 over 5. So 5 plus 2 is going to be 7. So you will have 2 7 over 5 minus 1 4 over 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then I have 2 over 5. It will be 3, this one, because 7 minus 3, 4 is 3. Next one is 3, it's going to be question number 4. Question number 4 says, which two whole numbers will each sum lie? So we have 4 1 over 2 plus 8 1 over 6. So we have 4 plus 8 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6. So it will be 12. This one I need to do the common denominator. So 2 I need to multiply by 3. So it's going to be 6. 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6. It will be 12 4 over 6, or 12 2/3 if I reduce it. 4b, 3 over 4 plus 6 1 over 5. So I will have 3 plus 6 plus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5. So I will have 9 plus, here I need to have common denominator. For 4 and 5, the common denominator is 20. So 4 times 5, 3 times 5, so 15. 5 times 4, it's going to be 20. 1 times 4 is 4. So it will be 9, 19 over 20 will be the answer. C, 4 1/3 plus 12 5/8. So 4 plus 12 is 16 plus 1/3 plus 5/8. 3 and 8, the common denominator will be 24. 1 times 8 is 8. 5 times 3 will be 15. So I will have 16